Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Skype cannot access your sound card on your Windows computer. This could definitely be an annoying issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. So the first thing, if you're on Windows 10, we're going to do is start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, and you want to type in microphone. Underneath settings, you want to left click on microphone privacy settings. So left click on that. Should be one of the items in the start menu list. And where it says allow access to your microphone, if you allow access, you can choose which apps can access your microphone by using the settings on this page. Denying access only blocks apps from accessing your microphone. It does not block Windows. You want to turn this to the on position if it's currently toggled off. So hopefully that should be able to resolve the issue for you guys. Close out of here. Would suggest restarting your computer. Hopefully that has resolved the problem. Now if it has not, something else you can go ahead and try to do would be to open up the start menu. Type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Just want to left click on that. This will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well. And you want to go ahead and left click on hardware and sound. And then left click on sound. Now you want to navigate over to whatever your microphone is plugged in here. So hopefully if you left click on the recording tab, there should be a microphone showing up right here. You want to go ahead and just left click on that one time and then left click on properties down here. Underneath device usage, you want to set to use this device, which is currently enabled for me. So again, make sure that's selected. Left click on apply and OK to save the change. So I'm going to close out of here. And now I'm going to head over to the start menu again, type in device manager. Best match should come back with device manager. Just left click on that one time. Now you want to expand the sound, video, and game controllers section. Either double click or left click on the little arrow next to it. And now whatever device is listed under here, you want to right click on it, left click on update driver. Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search your computer and the internet for the latest driver software for your device, unless you've disabled this feature in your device installation settings. So you want to left click on that, give it a moment to run. So it might say the best driver for your device is already installed. So just be patient. It might take a moment to look. You can also search for updated drivers on Windows Update as well. We'll suggest you guys perform a Windows Update after running all of this as well. Hopefully it should address the problem. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.